Yo, what's up? Jello back at it. Got a little something going on in the shop today. I hit a big milestone. You probably watched my other videos, finishing the inside of the shop here, just ceiling and walls, and yep, not done yet. Something popped up, and I had to jump on it. So yeah, cart before the horse, but not really. But here's what I got. Oh yeah, that's already taken apart, but I bought me a nice little CNC lathe. It's a Clausine Harrison Alpha 1400, and I'm just going through it. So in Jello fashion, I can't leave shit alone. Yeah, ripping everything I buy or have, and yeah, but here it is. I'll show you a few of the problems I got. Little problems, but yeah, I got the doors off already. Got the coolant chip pan, coolant tank, steady rest. Got a 4-jaw chuck, wrenches and stuff. I had to pull some electrical apart. I'll show you why. So I pulled the whole back guard off. Pain in the ass, but it's off. And they had a coolant leak. They were saying like right where that braided hose is, but not really. It was kind of leaking everywhere. And the cable carrier is broken right there, so I'm probably gonna get a new piece to fix it. And I already pulled the coolant hose out, and there's the problem. When they lifted this thing to load me up, the strap was not behind the tube, and that sucks because that tube travels with the carriage, and it does go up under the motor. It's supposed to, and it gotta go straight. It'll bind up in the guardian that goes around it and stuff, so I have to fix that. And in order to fix that, everything runs through it. Servo, the encoder, wires, and they're too big on this end, so they can't fit through it. I got a lube line that runs up behind the headstock and back in there. You can see it right there, that lube line. Not even sure where it goes, so I'm probably just gonna cut it right there and put a union in there for now. No big deal. And I already got into the electrical cabinet and pulled loose the servo cables on the end inside the electrical cabinet. So now that I got all that loose, I can start taking loose that deal, and then I should be able to pull that off. And that's the piece I got to take to a shop or work or something, and I got to fix that or make a new one. I could just lop it off, buy a new pipe. That's probably what I'll do. I'll never get that thing straight again. Actually, I got to fix that where it's welded to, it's all jacked up. So I'll have to fix that first. I don't know, but that is fixed. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm gonna probably post some videos of this machine as I start putting it back together, and any more problems pop up, I'll maybe film it and maybe show you guys how to fix lathes. So stay tuned. Whoa, what am I doing here? Well, somehow I got to get that machine off of my trailer and then pushed into a corner somewhere so I can finish cleaning her up and getting her back together. All right, just be calm, but don't copy what I do. I'm gonna try my car lift. It should handle it. I did the math. Should be no problem actually, but oh, I'm gonna try it. I'm backing my truck up right now. I'm gonna get her weasel in there. I got my bar stock already put in the machine. That's how I lift on. Put it right in the base. Most lathes have lifting holes. That's what those holes are. Them holes right there for lifting. Got them there. Got them on the tailstock side. And that's my plan. Get this thing backed up into place. Swing my arms over. Center of gravity is right around here. Here's my rod there. There's my other one there. So I'll figure it out. But weight-wise, this machine weighs like 4,800 tops. It's probably lighter than that because I got all this guarding off. I probably got a couple 100 pounds in guarding. at least a couple hundred. I mean, hell, them doors alone are probably 50 pounds, so probably 300 pounds of guarding off, so just call it 4,500 pounds. The lift is a 9,000 pound lift. You know, divide that by 4. Each arm can handle like 125 or whatever. But should do it. Figure 2 arms on the heavy end. There's, you know, the whole machine's weight. And I still got 2 more arms on the other end. Math comes out. Stay tuned. All right, I'm getting closer. It looks sketchier than what it is. I mean, I'll watch the slings, watch the angles, make sure everything's pulling down nicely onto the rubber pads. I got them favored, so if they did fall off, they're gonna fall off to the inside, not the outside. But get all the angles correct. Like that one there. I could probably straighten up a little bit. I'd rather have it like that one back there. A little sling angle that way, just a little bit. That one was kind of jacked up because I had to go through the cat track. And this one over here is the oddball. The whole machine shifted on my trailer over, so it kind of sucks. It's off center. I think once I lift it a little bit, it'll swing where it wants to be. And then I may re-rig, or I'll at least double check it. But I mean, that should work. It should work. So I'm gonna give it a try. All right, I got her up a little bit. She's got daylight under her. I just gotta clean all that shit out from underneath that I forgot. But it looks pretty good. I should be able to put my trailer out now and let her down slowly. So I got him. All right, she is on the ground. I got the skates in place. Man, I'm so happy. Let me show you. So yeah, this was a kind of a headache for me, worrying about how I'm gonna get it off the trailer once I got it home. You know, I had the car lift. The math said it would work. I am pretty handy on rigging machinery. Been doing it for years. Not for myself, not my own stuff, not my own lift, you know, so yeah, that's stressful. But yeah, there's the skates I bought. I think I paid like I want to say like $150 for all 4 of those. Vivor, whatever brand. Built well, and they will serve the purpose. I know what you're thinking. Oh, well, how are you going to get over that? I got a plan. You know, all I'm going to do is take everything loose. I'm going to push her back until this skate gets to the floor plate. Then I'm going to rig up only that side with the lift, and I'm going to put some sling angle on it. So in other words, I'm going to have this skate right up to there, and then so that puts this bar, you know, right about here, and I should be able to put a sling from that bar to the front arm, and so I'll have a sling angle like that, and I'll just pick up the one side, and it should scooch over the floor plate to where I can put the skate on the base, you know, like right there. I can push it around, maybe re-rig it, put the skate more in the back, wherever I want it. Once I hop the floor plate, I can put that machine wherever I want it. Last step, I pushed the machine as far as I could, got my jack underneath it, and I put the skate, I pulled the skate out, put the skate in the other side of the base here. I'm gonna let the jack down right now on top of that skate. And I'm over the floor plate. I should go push this machine wherever I want now. It's not bad. I mean, that's almost 5,000 pounds. One hand. There you have it. The old Titan lift, pull through. Yeah, it's not a bend pack or a rotary or a Challenger, but it got my machine off my trailer, and I paid a lot less money. So, anyways, that's how I got my machine off my trailer. Well, there it is. Got her in position. She's on the floor. She's where I want it to clean it. Awesome. Plan worked perfectly. Well, anyways, just want to give you a little update on the old shop here at 219 Design. That's what we're going to call it. So, stay tuned, man. I have a bunch of cool stuff coming up. Maybe I'll learn something about how to wire this sucker. Need 3-phase, and I don't have 3-phase. It'll be another video. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.